Morning friends, welcome to Economic and Public Policy Current Affairs Daily Economic Watch. This will be part 3. We have already covered in two parts some important news. Let's continue. The first 11th news will be Indian auto sector has an opportunity to emerge as a global hub. This has been a biggest statement and it is in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat. And having said that, India can become a global hub, thereby helping the country to become self-reliant. And such a chance must not be wasted. This has been said by Pawan Munjal, who is a Hero Motorcorp CMD and CEO. This is an important news from the automobile sector is already in news. GST3 cabinet ministers came and they said that there is an urgent need to reduce for the auto sector. Auto sector needs. The CM has already said, we have already talked about this in earlier lectures. So this sector is of prominent importance, how to boost up the demand here. And this news comes as very important if this can emerge as a global hub. So it is going to be very interesting. Let's move to the next news. News will be seeing green shoots in some segments. This has been said by Tata Motors. Tata Motors, automobile major Tata Motors has said green shoots in some segments, but remain cautious about the long-term sustainability of such demand. So green shoots has been a shade controversial, the V-shaped recovery, because in quarter one results it has already a disaster. Quarter two is marginally is going to improve. Quarter three is again going to be a disaster, and quarter three is not likely to sustain the results because of many factors which I am going to cover in a series of lectures on economy. And having said that, Tata Motors MD and CEO Gnuther Butzek has said this, but as of now opposition has been saying there are no green shoots. It is like it's a mirage, and it is like a desert where hardly any green shoots are there. But both the finance minister and the chief economic advisor Subramaniam ji has been talking for last 1 year about green shoots. So let's see how the things unfolds here. And the next news is auto sector's component industry should not de-link from imports. Now this comes as an interesting revelation. It should not de-link. Why they are saying there has been for importance of self-reliance is on its own. It's a good thing. Atmanirbhar Bharat is a really ambitious program, and to de-link completely, the reasons cited are the reasons cited are harder to boost cost competitiveness. This is one important reason, and second is to bring technology-led innovation and to have greater share in the global supply chain. These are three components has been stressed or has been indicated by has been stressed upon by Mahindra and Mahindra Managing Director Pawan Goenka. And the next news: 80 new special passenger trains are to run from September 12. The reservation will begin from Thursday, and it has been said by Railway Board Chairman VK Yadav. So again, Railway Board Chairman will be VK Yadav. The next will be 10 sectors qualify for development under DDA policy, that is Delhi Development Authority, and it is said 18 months after Webport, the land pooling policy was launched. 10 sectors in 3 zones has been divided so that requisite amount of land required to qualify for development purposes. Again, development purposes is the key here. So we are going to cover another in 2 parts short series. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.